Napag-alamang may health problem si Attorney Rose na nagpahirap sa kanyang pagbubuntis.
Well, before we got married, I disclosed to him all the sicknesses that I had, yung mga asthma, scoliosis, goiter, and it wasn't an issue for him. Unfortunately, when I got married, I couldn't ovulate, I couldn't produce eggs. I wasn't pressured naman by my husband to have children. I was pressuring myself.
Sa tulong ng medical treatment, nakarecover si Attorney Rose sa kanyang mga sakit. Sa pagkakataong din yun, pinagpasa Diyos na lamang niya ang pagkakaroon ng anak.
Lord, what if I have a child? Will that child suffer because this body isn't really in the pink of health? So I said, Lord, it's your will if you want me to have a child or not. And whether you give me a child or not, I'll still love you.
Makalipas ang 1 buwan sa kanyang pagsuko sa Panginoon, ay nakatanggap ng magandang balita ang mag-asawa.
Wow, I was pregnant. Nakakatawa. Ayun, so I called my husband. Nasa CR pa ako noon. Ayun. So I was really overjoyed. Ay, thank God. And without any intervention, parang wow. Medyo speechless kasi siya. Medyo speechless siya. Pero parang I know he was very happy.